Friends, today we are going to discuss on the interview giving skills. So my first question to the sir is how to prepare for an interview.
Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. One should prepare for an interview like giving a practical exam, because an enterprise and the interview team looks from many aspects, the interviewee, the candidate, the technical learning so far, soft skill of the candidate, the information about the industry. It may be an interview for, say, practicing CA firms, or it may be an enterprise, or it may be a charitable organization. So the candidate should prepare in all aspects, soft skills, should review the whole syllabus, should see some of the good interviews which are available on YouTube videos, should read some book on good interviews, should talk to the seniors. These are the methods by which one can prepare very well for interview.
And how to write your own job profile.
See, job profile is like, I can say it is like a matrimonial biodata. So unless the job profile is good, like I qualified in 1983 and I attended one of the session by Mr. M.R. Pai at Forum of Free Enterprise. And the question asked to me was, suppose there is a vacancy for a chartered accountant having 10 years experience. And all of us were newly qualified, will you apply for that? And the answer was no, no one. But then Mr. Pai said, if you write in your profile that given an option, you will perform equivalent to a chartered accountant having 10 years experience, will definitely attract the attention of those who are shortlisting the job profiles. The profile should contain the landmark achievements, the personal skills, the technical skills, various courses done, various awards and prizes, hobbies, mission in life, and why I am rendering my services. Because in a job, I am selling my services. Services is like a product. So job profile should be written, and we should learn nowadays many tools are available. Canva, other platforms are there. So design a profile, have a good picture of yours put on profile, have references. So these are the various things, because that is the starting point to get a job. You are introducing yourself without your physical presence. So job profile should be written very nicely, should be reviewed again and again. It can be weighted. There are experts available who can guide us, how to improve on job profile.
That it should represent you as a person and represent your own personality, what you are as an individual.
In complete respect, in all respects, your strength. One may write one's weakness also, though normally we do not do.
But everybody have.
Yes.
And one should be very truthful in writing his profile.
Yes.
Yeah. Sir, how to crack the HR round, as CAs need to groom themselves in presentation skills?
See, doing anything or succeeding anything happens twice. I keep on saying this in my all videos. First in mind and then in reality. So if I am confident, let there be 10 rounds, let there be 20 rounds. And my performance at one round should not affect my performance at a next round. So And at each round, there is an assessment of a critical skill. So we should prepare for that skill. We should see, I may not have learned in my nowadays chartered accountancy course, we have a lot of presentation opportunities. One can participate in various student seminars and conferences, write papers, present papers. So all these skills helps, and I can acquire, I can do some courses on Coursera, Udemy on my own, and I should be very confident of myself. I remember, one YouTube video I keep on listening, one by Mr. Muktanandji. It is on job interview. He says there were 100 candidates in a queue for giving job interview. And the person who was 68th or 78th came running to the gatekeeper of the interview room and gave a chit. Ki, please give this chit to the interview team members. And what was written in that chit? Please do not select anyone till you take my interview. So that shows the confidence of a candidate.
Right.
We have also seen, a movie Three Idiot, where one of the actor gives a job interview with such a great confidence. So why an enterprise is hiring someone? They are hiring someone to increase top line, the sales, and to increase bottom lines. When I see that if we are bound by certain things, no, I want only finance, I want only taxation, I want only internal audit, the multitasker has more value than single task in an enterprise or in an organization. I also read, one book of Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich, and he has written many other books. What he says, if a person at any level in an enterprise works as an owner, then one day that individual will be the owner of the enterprise. May not be the same enterprise,
But he'll be
because
the
the dedication which one is giving, the 100% of oneself one is giving in that job performance. So that is the dedication we should be able to express in interview, that I will take this enterprise to a sky height with my contribution in whatever role is given to me. So there are no boundary, no, I want only a particular location.
So my next question is related with this only. How one can look confident in an interview?
See, confidence, one will come by preparation, one will come by removing fear. So I'm not worried whether this job will be, if this job is not available, God has given a better opportunity. Perhaps I will get a better pay scale, a better company. Second is, if I'm not getting a job, if I've given 50 interviews earlier and I'm giving 51st, then perhaps God has made me to be a job giver rather than job taker. I can start something of my own. So the confidence comes when I have prepared well. I have studied a company, I have gone through the website, annual reports. I have prepared on industry. I have prepared on how the sales can be increased. I have prepared on various other aspects of enterprise, corporate governance, taxation, laws applicable to that company, various current economic policies of our country and of other countries, and overall knowledge of the business will make a candidate very, very confident.
Sir, here I would like to quote an example of Jack Ma, the owner of Alibaba. He had appeared for 50 pretty good interviews, and never got selected in any of the interviews. And then he opened his own, we all know that Alibaba online platform. This is what happens. So one should never lose confidence. And everybody have got their own purpose and destination. So, sir, how one can succeed in an interview? Though we were talking about failures also. Okay, it's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. So as I said, to succeed an interview, one should write truthfully the job profile, because some questions can be on job profile. Then there should be free exchange of information. The confidence to take an enterprise to a different level should be expressed. There should be a good closing. The soft skills like be on punctual, respecting everyone, and looking confident. These are the various criterias which interviewers are looking in any candidate.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable tips for appearing for a job interview. Thank you.
Thank you.